After more than a year of planning, Clay County's emergency alert system is up and running. As Landon McBride explains, county leaders believe it's crucial not just for residents, but for first responders as well.
Those who will benefit the most from the new alert system are the residents of Clay County who live outside of the city of Henrietta.
Henrietta has the storm sirens and the alert systems here locally, but out in the county, we have to depend on the news media and weather alert radios and things like that. And if we have a storm and we lose power, well, then they lose their way to be alerted.
This system is not cheap, but it's not going to cost citizens anything.
A little over $4,000 is what the county spent for that. It was allocated in our emergency management budget. Billy Carlton's our emergency management coordinator. He did the research on what would be the best system to use. Absolutely free for any Clay County resident.
If there is a need for an evacuation of an area because of weather or a fire, this system will be crucial.
We'll be able to tell folks where if we have to evacuate an area, where they can go and things like that. Well, right now it's mainly by cell phone. If we have to tell them to evacuate, and then they have to call us and find out where a center will be opening up for them and things like that. With this system, we'll be able to send out messages like that.
The county will also be able to send more information to first responders, making their jobs easier.
In our county, we've got quite a few different volunteer fire departments. And when a fire call comes in, our dispatcher, as they say, tones out. They've got radios that they're contacted on. But they get a tone, and that's really all they know is that they've got a call. So then the dispatch office lights up. People want to know what it is. So this will solve, we think it'll make life easier for our 911 dispatchers as well.
This alert system now in place, Clay County residents have a better way of getting the information they need during an emergency. Landon McBride, KFDX 3 News.
If you do live in Clay County and you'd like to sign up for the emergency alert system, you can find the link inside this story at Texomashomepage.com.